it's summertime round 09. On the corner, real heavy, nigga won't shine. I had this thick red bone on my armpit. Angelina Jolie, nigga, I was Brad Pitt.
What is going on, my party people? It's Emoneyshoes here, as you can see by the shirt. KO4, King of 4. Dispute me if you want, but it is what it is. Let me get a drink of water here. I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna do an updated Fives collection. Fives is slowly starting to grow on me. Let me tell you, so we're gonna see how that goes. But if you do catch this video before the battle tomorrow, we got Kicking It DD going against Authentic Kicks Ricky. Tomorrow's going down on Sis channel. 313 Retro Queen. Sign up. Hit that notification bell. Become a member of Sis team. She on the road to 1K. I think she about 80 short. So do that. It's gonna be a big celebration. Pizza, crown royal for everybody. You know how we do it. Also check out the bros, PMKICKZ, and of course myself, Emoneyshoes. We're on the road to 10K. No pressure, no press. We get there when we get there. You feel me? All right, now this is going to be in no particular order. Like I said, Fives is man, here and now. Hopefully my lighting is okay. I've been working trying to get everything situated, trying different angles, get the lighting. So we shall see. So let's go. First up on the list, you got this old box here, OG box, K54 box as we call it. You got these lime green joints here, lime green, slime, whatever you want to call it. Hopefully it comes off all nice white in the camera, because sometimes they come off yellowish looking. These are DS. I haven't got a chance to wear them yet, but eventually I will, and we shall, right? So K54 Fives first up on deck. Throw the stuff down on the ground. Next up, we got these joints here. Fear 5. Fear 5 with the little infrared in the back. I still had to check this, took this one out. You got a little bit of yellowing. You see the consignment shop. You can see the price on that, but homie hooked me up on these. Fear 5s on deck. And we don't really worry about the box. This is this box here. Check it out. I don't know how it's looking, kind of grainy. Might have to change the camera setting. It's a work in progress. Work with me here, just like the on feet is going to be a work in progress. Next up, shoe number 3. Now I would say that one there. Let's go right here. Shoe number 3 on the list. I like these with the lace swap. Is the Cement 5s. I wore these a couple of times. I like this shoe. As you can see, I got the cement laces in there. Great cement. All of that good stuff. I like this shoe. I like it a lot. You got the, I even got a shirt for this shoe. Sleepers, in my opinion. I like this shoe since they released. Got a couple wears out of those. Coming up. Next on the list, number 4. Gotta have the red joints. The red joints here. Nice. You see the lace swap. You got the 3M tongue. It's very banging. I know a lot of people then, you can see I ain't cleaned the bottom. Shame on me, the shoe all ugly looking. It's supposed to be icy blue, but it has starting to oxidize. But it's all good in the neighborhood. You know, some people, like I said, gonna get them. I don't have most of the OGs, like the white metallic, the black metallic, all of that stuff like that. Next up, I don't have the box for these, but I like these. These are close to the black metallic. These are the Paris joints. This is one of my favorite go-to shoes. So in the question, you'll know this is one of my favorite. Just grab and go with anything, wear them. These are one of my more comfy shoes. Glad I got these, the Paris 5 red colorway. Can't go wrong with that. Well, not really red, more like black metallic. Sorry, not red. I stand corrected. I don't want to get beat up for saying the wrong stuff for the wrong shoes. You feel me? Next up on the list, these joints here, gotta love the kids. the DB5s. DB5s up in this joint. Very, very dope shoe. Very, very clean. Don't get too many wears out of these, but we will and we shall. We won once. So I will get to it in the future. Next up, I love these boxes. I'm kind of oversaturated doing these boxes, but still very, very dope in my opinion. Michigan 5 Sleepers. They just re-released this week. Sold out instant. I think it's on Finish Line. Very, very dope shoe. That yellow pop. Just look at it. Look at that just going across the screen like that. Spin. Definitely love the back of the shoe. Not quite the PE, but good enough in my opinion. Moving right along. Glad to add these to the collection too. We got the Bel Air 5s. Woo! I'm not sure if I'm gonna get the alternates coming up. I might get them just for GP, but just to have both of these shoes, as you can see, got that Fresh Prince of Bel Air, Will Smith vibe in the shoe. Very, very dope in my opinion. All right, coming up next on the list. One shoe that's gaining a lot of steam. A lot of people didn't like it when it first came out. It's the Wing. For you people who like the glow in the dark, you got glow in the dark. You got all types of glowing stuff going on this shoe. No one of these shoes are made alike, right? No one is made alike. Maybe I had to do that for a thumbnail. No one shoe is made alike, as you can see. You got the lace lock, black, and I went. This is just a presentation. I love it. You got your card here, right? Your Wings card. You see that? And then I went with offset on the laces. 1 of 1. Very, very dope shoe. One of my favorites. Wear that shoe. Definitely people always say, where did you get that shoe from? Very, very dope shoe. And last but not least, the big boy of all my shoes right here. Sample pair, as you can see. And I need the Tokyos, so I got the Shanghai Shin, as you can see. Very, very dope shoe. Spin it around so you can get a good look at it. It's not it's an actual sample pair as indicated by on the box. And got a little, you see these are DS. I haven't worn them yet. Still brand spanking new. That pretty much in a nutshell, that is all of the Jordan 5s that I have. I think maybe about 10 of them, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 10 Jordan 5s. So hopefully I was able to show you something a little bit different than I had last time. I think that's pretty much it. If I did forget some, my apologies. But thank you for taking the time to watch my little short video and just share with you what I have in my Jordan 5 collection. Hopefully I get around eventually to doing my Jordan 4. I don't know if I want to do one big video or should I do multiple, like do it in separate parts. So we'll see. We'll see. And thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. Like I said, KL4 Emoneyshoes. I'm out. Peace.